America's Minsky Moment approaches. A Minsky Moment is when a financial markets crisis, especially in credit markets, is caused by a sudden and systemic collapse in asset prices, usually after a sustained period of speculative investment, excessive borrowing, and widespread financial risk-taking. America may be on the brink of its Minsky Moment, while a more serious collapse of the bubble, a monetary Great Reset, was avoided in 2008 to 2009. The underlying conditions were not resolved. We are still living in this bubble, evidenced by all-time highs in equity and crypto markets, speculation in numerous asset classes from real estate, to collectibles, to meme coins, and get what you can while you can borrowing by governments, households, and corporations alike. Since 2020, the United States has run the highest levels of deficits as a percent of GDP since World War II. Those deficits produced high inflation, but they also reversed and became budget surpluses shortly after the war ended. This was made possible because of the productivity miracle that was mid-20th century America. When the Minsky Moment arrives, the U.S. government will have no ability to confront it, save for a resumption of quantitative easing and other forms of money printing. If this divestment trend suddenly accelerates, the United States will be forced to monetize its debt through Federal Reserve purchases of U.S. treasuries. This will be highly inflationary, even as economic conditions are weakening and unemployment is rising. To avoid this outcome, U.S. productivity would have to dramatically increase such that the ratio of debt to GDP falls back in line. Achieving post-World War II productivity seems an impossibility. Whether you are diversifying your portfolio, seeking a hedge against inflation, or simply aiming to own a piece of enduring value, consider how gold and silver can fortify your financial future. Trust in Smart Gold, us to be your guide and provider in this prudent financial journey.